In today's video you will see the build of this miter saw station that will also provide space for all my woodworking tools. First of all, some simple corpuses out of OSB. My friend got access to a big panel saw and cut everything to size and screwed the corpuses and drawers together for me. After staining, I've added handles to the scrapwood drawer fronts. Then I cut some strips of multiplex in a 10-degree angle to organize all my drills and router bits. Afterwards, I've built a slightly lower corpus for the miter saw to sit on. That one also got some of those leveling feet to fine-tune the height of the miter saw. On the right side of the miter saw I just went for a standard workbench, as the storage the other side provides is more than enough. Here I attach the first piece of a vise I will be adding later. Next up, I sanded and stained the 20mm multiplex worktops and screwed them into place. Then I unpicked the Festool Capex KS120 and bolted it in its final position. Following that, I installed the vise, which will come in handy to clamp down workpieces while doing biscuit joints, for example. Here I've built the vice's handle. Last but not least, I hung some hand tools to the wall. Of course, there are still some chisel sizes missing, but it's more for looks, as I don't really use them a lot anyway. I don't know what to use the corpus underneath the miter saw for yet. Probably drawers and not a permanent space for a shop vac, as I want the dust collection piping to come down from the ceiling, leading to a big dust extractor in the future. At some point I will definitely add a digital miter stop for super precise cuts. In the next episode I will add some wood storage racks to my workshop. See you then, cheers.